two politicians from Mussoorie in Uttarakhand. They are quarrelling among themselves, as you can see, getting into fisticuffs with each other. They are quarrelling for the right to hoist the national flag. This is what our politicians have come down to. This is what our politics has come down to. Ganesh Joshi, BJP MLA from the area. He is the man on your right. The man with the cap is Manmohan Singh Malla. He's a district Nagarpalika Adhyaksha. He's a congressman, and they came to blows over hoisting the tricolour. When this dispute refused to die down, eventually a child from the crowd had to come up and he hoisted the national flag. That just tells the story for you how shameful their behaviour is.
Well, see, this was a function which was being organized in Mussoorie earlier this morning during the course of Independence Day celebration, and both these leaders in capacity of being the prominent figures of Mussoorie were there. One is of course the BJP MLA, the local BJP MLA from Mussoorie, and the other Mr. Mal was the town area chairman, and he basically belongs to the Congress. The town area chairman there is with the Congress. Now both these leaders were there. Several government officials were there, prominent people from the town, they were there, and then this call started that who should hoist the flag there. The BJP MLA's claim was that since he is the local MLA, he should hoist the flag. Town area chairman said that since he represents the entire town, he is the town area chairman, therefore he has that right to hoist the flag. And then both these leaders virtually got into a quarrel. They even got physical with each other, and both we can clearly see that how shamelessly both of them are together trying to pull on to the rope, and that was clearly not just an embarrassment for the people, but probably also the insult to the tricolour. It was also the insult to the national honour. But despite all these facts, both these leaders kept on arguing, kept on quarrelling, and it was only after that both these two leaders were caught on camera trying to pull the rope simultaneously at the same point in time. So clearly it was an embarrassment for all those people who were assembled there.
In fact, we're getting a statement from Ganesh Joshi, one of the two men in question. He's the MLA in Mussoorie. This is what he had to say about this. Absolutely shameful.
वहाँ के जो चेयरमैन हैं बड़े तैश में थे, अपने कुछ साथियों के साथ आते ही इन्होंने एक बुजुर्ग मदन मोहन शर्मा जो लायंस क्लब के अध्यक्ष भी हैं, भाजपा के पूर्व अध्यक्ष भी रहे हैं, 20 सालों से संचालन कर रहे हैं, उनसे माइक छीन लिया और माइक छीनने के बाद कहने लगे मैं ध्वजारोहण करूंगा। तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा जब उनके बुजुर्ग के हाथ से माइक छीना। तो मैंने भाई परंपरा ये रही है। वहां पर पूर्व विधायक ज्योति सिंह जी भी थे, उन्होंने भी उनसे कहा, लेकिन वो बहुत ज्यादा वो तैश में थे। इस बात को लेकर उनसे मेरा विवाद हुआ, और जो भी कुछ हुआ आज राष्ट्रीय पर्व पर, क्योंकि ये किसी पार्टी का पर्व नहीं, एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व है, पूरा देश उसको मनाता है। पूरा वहां के स्थानीय लोग, पूरे चैनल्स वहां पर लोग देख रहे थे। मुझे इस बात